You got your own sound kits, if I'm not correct, if I ain't
Yeah,
mistaken, right? Like you feel
yeah,
like,
yeah,
bro,
yeah.
how did that shit come about? That's different right there.
Man, just on the cool, just man, on the cool, bro. I remember one time on Facebook, bro, I had put out like a free little drum kit. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I was able to acquire like a bunch of emails, did a cool little mailing list off of that. In like 2016, I had dropped my first drum kit, snare and style. Just trying it just to try it, bro. I put drum
Was
loops
that
in
the
there.
Ibis? Was that the Ibis Smith box kit, bro?
That one came after that. You know what I'm saying? That one came
Oh,
after that. But yeah, I dropped snare style first, and then you know what I'm
you said
saying. I
what?
got hella
Snare
love.
what?
Snare style.
Snare startle. Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah,
hard.
it's like
Yeah,
a play on word Aristotle. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
with
The
Aristotle.
philosopher.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, for sure.
So a nigga philosopher with these drums. You feel me?
Oh man.
So yeah, so I put that kid out, bro, and when I dropped it, the response was crazy, bro. I damn near was about to quit making beats, but just based off of the success of the sales of the kit. You know what I'm saying? I was
Damn.
like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Like this is the most money I done probably ever made. Yeah, I'm a little
Man, that shit
exaggerating,
was
but
that
probably the
hard.
most money I done made out music, nigga, like in that fast. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So
Damn.
I was excited about that, which made me go down the path of just creating kits at that point. That Emmit
Right.
box shit just came from it wasn't even supposed to be a kit, bro. I was just posting funny ass pictures of Emmett Smith with the box
Nigga,
haircut
that
online.
shit had me roll. That thing had Emmitt Smith box haircut, said Emmitt Smith box drum kit. That
Yeah,
shit was
bro.